Traders, we are looking for some opportunities for Monday. 15-minute chart, and we'll run down the list here from top to bottom. What I'm looking for is, we click on the symbol, come into the chart, and I want to see these indicators, especially this one, green on the daily and the 4 hour, not so much the weekly down the bottom. So this one ticks a checkbox. We're going to mark that up as a potential. We'll put that on the watch list. So I'm going to mark it up red alert. Simple as that. Okay, the daily and the 4 hour, this one and this one. Now, if it doesn't give us the same color, then we let it go. Just keep it really simple, guys. Run down the list, Aussie Swiss. Okay, our indicator down here is giving us green across the board. We'll put that on the watch list. The Aussie yen is green across the board. And again, we're looking for the daily and the 4 hour. Now, because this is a 15-minute chart here, it may or may not show the weekly. It just depends on the indicator and the coding and how it picks it up. But we're not interested in the weekly, so we just disregard that. We want this one and this one to be the same color, and then that goes on the watch list. It's as simple as that. Okay, if the colors stack up, when we have something to go with, we're going to pick the best of the best. I mean, look at this, for example, watch list. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Yep. Strong red, and look at this pullback. See, now this is the kind of thing we're looking for. This was a trade we took actually on Friday, and that was a nice 2-hour outcome. Just delete that. This is exactly what we're looking for. This is an ideal situation where we have the multi-time frame indicator giving us the go ahead here. We've got red on our single bar indicator showing, and this is telling us that the 1D and the 4H meet a certain criteria, strong bearish momentum on these time frames. Now, this is what we're looking for. Okay, so when this checkbox is ticked, then we come into the chart and we want to see, it's a bearish trend, we want to see red bars turning green. That's the pullback. And then what we do is we go down to the 3-minute chart and we set an alert on the 3-minute chart for this break of market structure. Or we can do that on the 5-minute. The 3-minute might be a little bit fast. The 5-minute is a bit smoother. But we use the 15M or the 10-minute, if you like, as the main chart. So now what we can do with this come Monday is set our alerts. In fact, I'll do it now, so I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we go to a 3-minute or a 5. Let's just go down here and let's go to the 5-minute chart. Go over to the trend channel, 3 bars, add alert. Okay, so we want cloud break 1 once per bar. And in this case, I want this to make a lot of noise. I want the alarm clock 5 seconds, play sound. Okay, and what I do is after the fact, after this has gone off or we've taken the trade, at the end of the trading day, we delete these 5-minute alerts. So once per bar, create, come back and do another one. And we're going to go cloud break 2, once per bar, and create. And that's all set up, ready to go. Okay, back over to the 15M. And it's as simple as that, guys. CAD Swiss, what does that look like? Daily and the 4 hour are conflicting, we'll let it go. The CAD Yen, daily and the 4 hour. See, this is another situation where we have a potential. Let me just take out these things here. All right, so this is a bullish trend, and what we're looking at on the higher time frame is simply the pullback. Okay, so we can see the higher time frame's bullish here. All right, so on the 4 hour, that'll be looking like that, and then we draw that, and we're looking for this rotation, right? So this is this point right there. All right, so we open it up. We have the daily and the 4 hour green. It's a bullish trend. And all we wait for now is for this bar here to turn green. And we want to see this movement. We've got a dot down in here. Now, this is the signal that we've already been looking for on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so when this signal fires here, this is red alert, big time. Now we go down to a 5-minute, if you like, and we set the alert on the 5-minute so that we catch the rotation again, right? So we go out of here, click on the 5M. I'm disregarding the dot alert on the 5M. It's the 15M dot alert that I'm interested in. And that went somewhere over here, 15-minute, right? So now we're looking for this to give us an opportunity to get long. And it's just a simple matter of waiting for the signal. For example, 5-minute chart or 3. 3's a bit busy, as I said. Okay, let's say that was a signal on the 15-minute. So on the 5-minute, we're looking for this guy and this one to get us in. Right, so an entry point could have been 50% actually of this swing. Brings you down into here, and that would have been your entry point long. So this one stacks up. Let's create the signal And that's the process, guys. Exactly that, right? So I invite you now to go through and set up a watch list, create some alerts, Cloudbreak 1, create some alerts, and now we're ready for Monday, Cloudbreak 2. And we're looking for the green cloud breaks, obviously. All right, so on the higher time frame, see what I'm talking about here. Look, nice deep pullback on Friday. So this is what we are looking to trade, guys. Okay, so swing low, swing high, retrace, and the system or our strategy gives us this opportunity when the retrace starts to reverse. And then we've got this one here, and we're looking for the reversal here on the pullback. So run through, set up your watch list, set up your alerts, and we are ready to go. I won't run through it. I've basically covered what we need to do here. If you need to, rewind the video or go back and save this one to favorites, because this is how we look for opportunities. And the key thing with this is we want the opportunity, like for the 4-hour, on the 4-hour time frame, when it pulls back into the mean. Okay, that's generally what we're going to be looking for. So here's the mean, and we get this swing pullback as it pulls back into this. Okay, there. Well, that one's a little bit far out, but that one's a nice one. There's a nice one. This one's okay. This one's broken the mean, so just watch out. It's still risk on at the moment, right? So just wait for the signal to invite you in. And that's the process that we'll be going through every day. We come through and we mark these up, and then we set the alerts on the lower time frame for the opportunity. Oh, by the way, if you haven't joined yet, head over to the website tradingwithanthony.com, and this is what you get: signals, chat group, the trading course, mentorship videos, and the TradingView indicators, right? Shout me lunch once a month, and I can guarantee you there's nothing like this anywhere. Okay guys, with that, have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.